So first, thank you to everyone who has subscribed to this channel. Man, it means a lot to me. Like, it really does mean a lot to me. So we just hit 10,000 subscribers, and that's a number I've been wanting to hit for a while. There was just something about getting into the double digits in the thousands, and I'm very excited about hitting 10,000 subs. Now, on the other side of that, a number like 10,000 subscribers is very small in the YouTube universe. I no longer consider myself to be a micro YouTuber. I would call myself a small YouTuber. And that means a lot to me as a content creator, someone who puts a lot of heart into my content. I have a lot of fun doing it, and I want people to enjoy it. So I take it as a measure that people enjoy it enough to subscribe to see more of it. But my subscriber base is not a good reflection of the actual views on my videos. Right now, I'm averaging about 370,000 views a month. I think prior to the summer, I was averaging around 150,000 views a month. So those are really good numbers in comparison to the amount of subscribers I have. One number that will really put this in perspective for you is that 99.4% of the people that watch the videos on my channel are not subscribed. So only 0.6% of the people watching my videos are actually subscribed to my channel. So this obsession with getting a decent subscriber count. I know you see other YouTube videos that, oh, how to grow a YouTube channel, you shouldn't worry about the subscriber count. And as much as you don't want to worry about your subscriber count, it does feel like some kind of status symbol of some kind on your channel. But it really shouldn't be, because it does not directly reflect the amount of views or traffic that channel is really getting. On the backside of that, you could argue that my content is not rewatchable, or people don't get excited to come back, and because I don't have episodic or something that has retention as far as people see it as something, oh, I will come back to this channel to watch more of what he's doing. Or me, maybe I'm just not charismatic enough and people aren't excited to come back and watch this guy again. But usually it's just that people don't really subscribe to channels anymore. So I say all that to say thank you to the people who have subscribed to my channel. It makes me very excited. And as small as my subscriber count is, I watch the retention numbers as far as my returning viewers, and you guys are consistent. So thank you very much for not only subscribing, but for watching the content that I put out on this channel. Behind that, as far as my YouTube journey goes, as any YouTuber will tell you, it's not an easy journey. It's very hard. But it's hard if you make it hard, if you stress about it. I don't stress about it. I had a YouTube channel for a long time. I really didn't care about it, didn't do much with it. And then during isolation, I started putting up a few videos and they started picking up, and I was like, oh, I kind of have fun doing this. And I needed a creative outlet. So the content creator realm, I started watching videos on cameras and video production and video and cinematography. And not that I do a lot of high-end stuff like that on my channel. I'm trying, but I got into editing, and I just really enjoy making the videos, guys. I really enjoy it. So it's a passion for me to put the videos out. And then as I'm doing that, I get to talk about things that I'm passionate about. So I'm pouring my heart into these things, but I don't do it so much that I'm craving the views and the subscriptions and all that stuff. I appreciate it and I like them and I want to get them, but it's not driving me to where if I don't get them, I'm stressed out about it. Don't get me wrong. When you put a lot of passion into a video and the views are almost non-existent, it'll get to you a little bit because you were so excited about what you just made. And you thought people were going to appreciate it the way you do. So you have to understand that it's not always going to go that way. And then be okay with it. Then you move on to the next thing. So you have to constantly keep your creativity going, which is what I love. Keeps me going. Keeps my creativity going. So on the other side of that, guys, if you watch my content and you get anything from it, or you like any moment of it, please like the content. I'm not even asking for a subscription on top of the like, but be sure to like it. That helps us content creators know that what we're doing, someone is seeing, and again, you don't have to like the whole thing, but if you appreciate any aspect of it, it means a lot. So again, thank you very much for subscribing if you have subscribed. If you haven't and you're watching this video, man, get on that and subscribe to this channel. We do a lot here, and I think we cover a lot of interesting things. I have faith and I have confidence in the content that we produce here. Now, as far as putting things in perspective as where I am right now, there are 51 million channels on YouTube. 51 million. In that 51 million, there are 29,000 channels that are over 1 million subscribers. Now, that number seems big, 29,000. I would not have thought that there were 29,000 channels that had over 1 million subscribers. It seems like a big number, but when you put it up against 51 million channels, it's a small number. And as far as 100,000 subscriber channels goes, there are 306,000 channels on YouTube that are past the 100,000 subscriber mark. That is an awesome achievement. Man, 1 million, that's not even a shoot for the moon kind of goal. It's not on my radar. And even the 100,000 seems so far out of reach. But when I started, I remember moments where I thought, man, I don't even know if I'll hit 10,000 subscribers. It's why I went into just loving the production and the creation and sharing what I have to share. And I went into just loving content creation. And here I am with almost 400,000 views a month and 10,000 subscribers. So if you're starting a YouTube channel, man, keep plugging away. Keep researching and trying to grow your channel. Keep trying to learn how to make it better. That's what I've done. If you look at my channel over the years, the last few years, I've made lots of changes just trying to make my content better, something that I would like to watch. There's things you have to do, things you do to try to, like, I wouldn't say beat the algorithm, but figure it out to get your content in front of more eyes. But primarily you want to focus on just making the best content possible. I know you hear that over and over again, and there are some channels that have amazing production and amazing content, and they are not getting the love that some channels that have the worst. And there's a thing there, you know, maybe it's the person, maybe it's the story. I haven't figured all that out yet, but I'm here now, and I'm very excited. And again, I want to say thank you, and let's keep this thing going. I'll see you guys in the next video.